What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to discuss how to use SpotMe in Chimes. SpotMe is available to Chime members who have activated their Chime debit or credit card and receive a qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more a month. Chimes has got your back when you overdraft either account by up to $200. Let's say you have $40 in your checking account. At the grocery store, your total is $52, and if you want to pay for it with your Chime Visa debit card, most banks would charge you upwards of $30 for overdrafting your account by merely $12. Chimes will spot you the money instead. You'll receive a notification saying, because your spending balance was low, SpotMe covered $12. Your new balance is minus $12. Then, the next time money is deposited into your checking account, Chimes will automatically apply it to your negative balance. You will be in the clear without having paid any overdraft fees. Now, is it really free to use? Chimes knows it sounds too good to be true, but it's not. It's pretty simple, really. Chimes thinks overdraft fees are the pits, so they decided to get rid of them. SpotMe is a totally free service for eligible Chime members. If you're ready to hop aboard the SpotMe train, make sure you have the latest version of the Chime app, then scroll down your home feed or over to the settings. If you're eligible for SpotMe, you will see a button inviting you to sign up. Once you agree to the terms and conditions, you're in. The next time you make a debit card purchase, credit card purchase, or cash withdrawal that exceeds your balance, Chimes will spot you up to your limit. That limit will be between $20 to $200 and will be based on a variety of factors such as your account history and activity. So, what happens if you try to overdraw your account by more than your limit? Chimes will simply decline the transaction. But don't worry, you still won't pay any fees. It's important to note that SpotMe only covers debit card purchases and cash withdrawals. It doesn't apply to pay anyone transfers, ACH transfers, or Chime checkbook transactions. So there we have it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.